Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall iCloud passwords extension on iPhone. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall the iCloud passwords extension on your iPhone, start by unlocking your device. Locate and tap on the Settings app on your home screen. Once in Settings, scroll down and look for Passwords and tap on it. You may need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Now, look for Autofill Passwords and tap on it. Here, you will see a list of password managers and extensions. Find iCloud passwords in this list. Uncheck the box next to iCloud passwords to disable it. Next, return to the main settings menu. Scroll down again and this time tap on Safari. In the Safari settings, look for extensions and tap on it. You will see the installed extensions, including iCloud passwords. Tap on iCloud passwords to access its settings. Now, tap on Uninstall to remove the extension. Confirm the action if prompted. After uninstallation, close the Settings app. To ensure complete removal, you can restart your iPhone. You have now successfully uninstalled the iCloud passwords extension from your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.